In this video, I'm going to show how to write a put option. I'm on my iPad and I'm going to start the Thinkorswim app. I already chose the paper money. So as you can see, I have $200,000 and no positions. Again, this is not to sell an option that we have already purchased. This is to write an option for the first time. So we're going to open a new position. On the right hand side, on the watch list, you see the SPY, that's the S&P 500 ETF, and then Apple and Exxon already included in that watch list. I'm just going to choose Apple just to be consistent with the previous videos. Notice the menu and down below, you'll see dashboard, watch list, positions, and orders. And then there's also a menu right beneath the Apple and the current price, the spot price of $331.50. Today's a Sunday, so this price is a leftover from Friday. Friday's closing. So we're right now looking at the Apple chart, and then I'm going to tap on the options. Now on the left hand side you see the calls, and the right hand side you see the puts. I'm going to go to a strike price that's closer to the current level, just for the sake of lecture purposes, no particular reason. And I'm looking at the $325 strike price. And again, of no particular reason. We'll go into those reasons in later videos. The bid price is the price that people are willing to buy at this point, and the ask price is the price that people are willing to sell at this point. So for the strike price of 325, since we are writing this for the first time, we're going to be selling for the first time. So the bid price of 185 is what I'm going to tap on. Now as soon as I tap on it, I have my order ready to come up. Notice the quantity is 10, and I'm going to change that to 1. And notice it's -1. We're actually selling, but we're not selling an option that we own. We're selling an option that for the first time. Therefore, in effect, we are writing this. So this is a June 12th maturity, 325 strike price put option. And the current price, the bid price is 185, ask price is 217. Since we're selling this, writing this, we are going to go with 185. Now, if you want this to go quick, you go with something lower. If you want to wait and sell it at a little bit higher price, then obviously you can increase the price and try to sell it at a higher price. So all looks great. I tap on paper trade. Notice the highlighted pinkish section, that's sell, -1 Apple, 100 weeklies, June 12th, the strike price of 325, put option, we're trying to sell it at 185 at a limit price, and notice it says it's to open. That is that's the signal that you're actually writing it for the first time. So all looks okay, and then I'm going to tap on paper trade, and now it's a Sunday, it won't go through, so it would just keep saying working. But what we're trying to do is we are trying to write this put option. As soon as it gets filled, you will have a written put option. So that's how you write a put option on Thinkorswim. Thank you.